busy day here at the fair. We've got discounted advance tickets still going on at the ticket booth. We have almost 100 commercial vendors setting up in our commercial building this afternoon. Home Arts registration is today, so that's going to be happening from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the Home Arts building. We've got our food vendors setting up, we've got our rides getting set up, and you can just feel it in the air, the atmosphere. We get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow night we open at 5 p.m. It is kids price night, so everybody pays a $6 kids price to get in the gates, and that's going to allow you to see the butterfly encounter, the circus, Jurassic Kingdom, all of our barns. You can get all that for just $6 tomorrow night. The fair's going to go from tomorrow night, the 12th, all the way until Saturday, the 20th. We've got 9 days full of fun, full of excitement. We've got the demolition derbies, monster trucks, tractor pulls, all your favorite fair classics, and of course we have Degler's Midway. We've got NBC coming out tomorrow night with the weather truck. 107.3 is going to be here, so there's a lot to see. There's a lot to do here at the fair, not only tomorrow night, but all 9 days long.